Hey everyone, I recently acquired a very aggressively used BMW 3 Series. And as typical with BMWs of that age, it's an E93 to be specific, the interior trim piece by the cup holders is wearing away and looking like trash. Now this can be for two reasons. One, people don't take care of their cars like they should, but number two, BMW just makes all of their interior trim out of like paper mache. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and replace that interior trim piece to restore the beautiful looks of this interior. Now you have one of a couple of options. You can either go with something goofy like this, which is basically like an Alcantara with fake M3 stitching on it. This thing was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Actually, maybe even been more. Kind of a ripoff, and also isn't really sized all that well. So I don't recommend doing that. But instead what you can do is get this actual trim piece right here for like 30 bucks, and I'll provide a link in the description below. But it's as simple as prying this thing off and you're good to go. Easy as can be. Then we just take the new trim piece and put it into the little blue things there, snap it into the little things on the side, and it's installed. That took all of 3 seconds, and it is a quick, easy fix to store the interior near your cup holders. The only thing is that it does make the cup holders now very obviously used. So on to fixing those next. As a quick side note before we sign off, so far in this car what I have done is replace the push to start button, I've replaced the interior cup holder trim, I've replaced the floor mats with all weather mats, and I've given it a good cleaning, a good scrub down. I've also restored the interior screen, so the little iDrive screen in there, I went ahead and got rid of all the scratches on that, and then also applied a screen protector on it. We are well on our way to completing our mission to restoring this BMW to its original glory. Anyway, if you want to track the progress of restoring this BMW, please hit that like and subscribe button, as I will keep releasing videos on repairing this beauty as we go.